Good afternoon, my dear students and friends. Today I am going to demonstrate the effects of torque or rotational force in our daily life and how it is utilized in mechanical engineering and mechanical devices. Whether a smallest device, watch, bicycle or giant truck. So here I am here to demonstrate you. I have taken a small wheel. This is the axle of the wheel where it can rotate freely, and both the ends of the axle is attached to a rope. This is the rope, and the weight of the wheel is downward, vertically downward, and this weight is balanced by the tension force. This tension T1 and T2. So T1 plus T1 and T2. Tension in this string 1 is T1 and T2 balance the weight mg downward. So this is the primary concept of balance. If any one end or rope is set free, then due to component of weight of this wheel or system inclined toward or down towards the earth. Suppose here I am going to set free. So you can see that naturally it falls down. Why? Since one component of the weight is here and this component of the weight is balanced by tension. If tension is removed, then weight is naturally bent downward like this. So we will see this. Now what we are going to set. So here you know the Maxwell screw rule or right hand thumb rule. If something is rotated like this, then torque advances upward, and if then torque advances downward. So here, in order to balance this wheel, a force is necessary to keep like this. A force like this is necessary to keep like this, to set in the equilibrium state. There is a force necessary, this force, and this force is required to make the wheel in balanced condition. If the force is removed, then it moves downward. So we will manifest this requisite force with the help of rotation. How rotation produces pseudo force that we call rotational force or torque. Here. Now I am going to rotate the wheel in a clockwise direction. So if the rotation is like this, then torque moves this way and this will balance it. So here you can see there is no inclination, force is balanced. You can see force is acting like this and this is upward. If the motion is reduced gradually, then it will move downward. You can see, since motion is gradually decreasing, and it will once again minimum velocity is required. Without minimum velocity, it cannot be balanced. You can see perfectly, exactly perfect, perfectly perpendicular, no inclination. This is force is acting, and due to one rope, it is perfectly balanced and rotating like this, like this. Also, complex motion you can experience. When motion gets reduced, it bends downward. Once again, you can experience this. perfectly rotation, and it is balanced in one row, in one string. No need, this end is free, you can see. So this is why in bicycle, when bicycle is rotating forward, then it is easy to move right side than left side. That is why when bicycle is moving forward in direction, suppose we move, when a motor vehicle moves this way, forward direction, then it is easy to move, it is easy to turn left side, leftward, since force is at left side. So it is easy to turn the wheel left side than right, since right side a force, we have to encounter a force of the rotation. So automatically it moves like this. You can see that rotating like this. Once again I am displaying, demonstrating. See forces, how, in which direction wheels is rotating and balancing. So rotation produces a force that is called torque, and this torque balances the wheel in a single row. So this way we can demonstrate the importance and significance of physics in our daily life. I have brought this wheel from my son bicycle. When the bicycle was out of order, then I removed the wheels and the rest part I given to the garbage man, and we take both wheels to demonstrate the activity of physics. So at home we can do this. There is no need to go any university or big seminar or lecture house. If you are interested to pursue and understand the law of physics, so you have to develop your curiosity. Curiosity is the father of all advancement and mother of invention. So that is why first knowledge, then skill, then attitude. Automatically if you acquire knowledge, then it will develop. If knowledge is practiced, then it comes into a skill, and a skill becomes your reflection of life, that is the attitude. So develop scientific attitude. Without scientific attitude, without knowledge, attitude cannot be attained. So first priority is knowledge. Lord Sri Krishna 5000 years back in Srimad Bhagavad Gita has stated, Arjuna, Nasti Jnanen Sadrisam Pavitramya Vidyate Vidya Dhanam Sarvadhanam Pradhanam. Oh Arjun, there is nothing as much pure than that of the knowledge, so acquire knowledge. So knowledge is pure things. It will enlighten you. Thank you, my dear friends and students. Enjoy. Have a nice day.